Chef's Magic Player of the Game.
Kasama ko nga ngayon ang ating Chef's Magic Player of the Game with this double-double performance from Valenzuela team. We have Noah Manelastas. Noah, what a great performance today. Galing na kayo sa magkasunod na pagkatalo. And gaano ka-importante sa itong game victory nyo? At ano yung naging motivation mo for this game?
Una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po sa Diyos sa panalo na po ito. Nagpapasalamat po sa pamilya ko po and ginawa po tong ano to para sa inyo. And shoutout po sa motivation ko from Canada. I love you.
Noah, meron ka pa bang gustong bigyan pa ng shoutout?
Shoutout po sa Jolly Vlog and Tekram Vlog and Sweet Mary. Shoutout po sa inyo.
Once again, congratulations to our player of the game at sa buong Valenzuela. And now, let's take a look to our assessment and defensive player of the game. Gentlemen.
Hello mga kajali, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, mga katekram, kasit Mary, Kajano, at Kaponi Alvin the Box at sa mga Suba sibling, isang napakagandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ayan, at kami po ay aalis, isasama ko po si Abby. Isama ko muna si Abby. Hindi.
Bantayan mo si Abby, baka yan mawaglit sa pamilya mo. Ay, Diyos ko, kahirapan natin sa Manila.
Hindi naman.
Mangungulila ako, Abby. Huwag ka nang lalayo na tingin sa Mami Janet mo. Ha?
Ayan.
Masaya ka ba na sasama kay Mami Janet? Sa Manila?
Ayan.
Yan. Kasi bakit? Kasi si Abby po, mga kajali, magaling kasi sa school. Kaya Kuya Clark, galing sa school ha.
Lahat naman sila, be, magaling sa school. Oh, Angela, Clark, Angel. Isasama ko muna si Abby, no? Pero sa susunod, kapag naka-travis tayo ng sasakyan, isasama ko kayo para makapanood din kayo kay Kuya Noah. Mga kajali, ngayon po kasi may laro po kasi ngayon si Noah. Siyempre po, ang supportive ng mga magulang. Kailangan nandyan din po kay Noah para may lakas ng loob.
Yun, sana yan, gawin mo yung best lang. Basta laro, game yan, walang pigunan. Sabihin game ball lang. Basta andito lang kami sumusuporta.
Nakasuporta
Suporta ba
kami.
kayo kay Kuya Noah?
Ayan, Noah, nakasuporta kami para sa'yo sa iyong journey.
Ano sasabihin nyo?
Go! 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 Kuya Noah!
Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Go! Go! Kuya Noah!
Ayan, Kuya Noah, galingan mo daw, sabi ng mga kapatid mo. Ayan.
Sana manalo kayo. Yun lang.
Manalo, matalo, Noah, panalo ka pa rin sa amin. Ayan. Parati mong tatandaan yan, Noah. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng daddy at ng mga kapatid mo. Oh, sige, paalam na tayo kay
Mahal
Kuya
mo si
Noah.
Kuya Noah?
Oh, Kuya Rainiel, ano masasabi mo kay Kuya? Ha, dito ka, magsalita ka. Ano masasabi mo kay Kuya? May laro ang Kuya mo. Ha?
Galingan niya na lang.
Oh, humarap ka naman sa ano.
Galingan niya.
Ayan, Kuya Noah, galingan mo to. Talaga, Noah, ang kapatid mo ay mahihayin. Pasensya ka na. O, sige, pe.
2 hours later.
Yan, magandang tanghali po mga kajali. Nandito na po kami kung saan ay maglalaro po si Noah dito po sa Valenzuela. Ang kalaban po nila Nueva ay Valenzuela versus Nueva Ecija. Chris, hello kaya? Abby,
Panoorin po natin si Kuya Noah.
mga kajali, tuwa-tuwa po si Abby. Grabe, tuwa na. Abby, bakit ka tuwa-tuwa? Ha? ka tuwa-tuwa? Mga kadyari, mag-umpisa na po ang laban nila Noah. Ano masasabi mo kay Kuya Noah? Ate Nawi, ano sasabihin mo kay Kuya Noah para ayan, go, 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 Kuya
Alam ko lang energy, laksan mo nga.
Kuya Noah, nag-iisip ako. Meron pong basketball player po dito. Si Norwood, number 10.
Picture pa po ako.
Ayan, nakapagpa-picture pa po si Chris. Si Sir Norwood. Ayan, ang ating basketball player na si Sir Norwood ng number 10. Ito po yung mga kapatid ko. Todo support din po kay Noah. Ayan. Yan ang mga kapatid ko. Mag-hello kayo sa mga kadyali. God bless. God bless. God bless. May pasok si Mika. May pasok. Ay, ate. Wala ka. Naunahan ka namin. Yan ang pamangking kong poging-pogi. Nakasing edad ni Daniel.
Power forward number 29, Noah Manalastas. And at center number 25, Timothy
Noah,
Corcoran.
Noah, Noah.
The first is Louis Sack, number 2. Assistant coach Adrian Corcoran. At 3, team manager JJ McKinnon and team owner
Noah is number
Walter.
29.
Officiating these ball game, Didio Perez, Mac Gomez, and Ryan Soriano.
And we welcome everyone back to the continuing coverage of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Season number 3 as we're coming to you live from the Bahayang Pag-asa Sports Complex in Valenzuela on this Sunday afternoon. Let's take a look at our games for today. Already done with set number 1. We're on to game number 5 for this day in the 16 and under division. Nueva Ecija D Generals kontra dito sa Valenzuela Impact Ballers in the 16 and under division. Kaya let's start it off with the Nueva Ecija D Generals, Charles, wearing their light uniforms for today. They came off a win versus the Leyte Shore Homes in their last one.
Well, Nueva Ecija General 16 under successfully extended their winning streak to 3 games, even without the presence of their key players Carl Canapi and Carl Diaz. They now hold a 3-2 record, placing them in the 6th spot in the North Division standings. In yesterday's game, it was their timely 3-point shooting and superior ball movement recorded with 21 assists compared to latest just 17 that allowed them to swing the momentum in the final minutes and seal the victory.
And they're going to be looking to carry on over that momentum from their last game. Sa kabilang panig naman, Charles, wearing their dark uniforms nga, wearing the red uniforms itong Valenzuela Impact Ballers, coming off a loss naman kontra sa JT Bulacan Taipan, and they're still searching for their first win.
Again, like what you said, Valenzuela Impact Ballers appears to be still finding their rhythm after suffering 2 straight losses. In their most recent game against JT Bulacan Taipan, the team struggled to get support from their bench, contributing only 42 points compared to Bulacan's 56. If Valenzuela wants to finally break into the winning column, stronger chemistry and deeper contributions from their second unit will be crucial moving forward.
Definitely, we're gonna be checking that out mamaya sa game natin, but just about to begin already, so let's hear it from our game announcer, Mr. Gio Cruz.
Ladies and gentlemen, excitement continues here at Bayang Pag-asa Sports Complex, Valenzuela City, as we bring you Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Season 3, ang Liga ng Bawat Batang Pilipino. 16 other division featuring the Vicia D Generals and your Valenzuela Impact Ballers. Now it's time to meet the starters for both teams. First, for Nueva Ecija D Generals. Starting point guard number 92, Kyle Concepcion. Shooting guard number 5, Jadel Da. Power forward number 0, Prince Pineda. Small forward number 15, James Chavez. And at center number 32, Sean Parlan. The head coach is Harold Cruz, assisted by J. Ronquillo. And now let us meet the starters for your Valenzuela Impact Ballers. Starting guard number 18, Arkin Arellano. To guard number 13, Rashid Tomodos. At small forward number 10, Gian Taglia. Power forward number 29, Noah Manalastas. And at center number 35, Timothy Corlocon. The head coach is Luis San Benaventura, assisted by Adrian Kalungkang. At touring, team manager JJ Maghirang and team owner Voltaire Ora. Officiating this ball game, Didio Perez, Mank Gomez, and Ryan Soriano. Junior MPBL Executive Director Mr. J.R. Navarro. Junior MPBL Commissioner Mr. Kit Picasso.
And our Doray team starters for this 16 and under division, Valenzuela goal with Anyano, Tomodos, Taglia, Manalastas, and Corcolon. Meanwhile, Nueva Ecija have Concepcion, Daa, Chavez, Pineda, and Barlan. And a good afternoon once again to all the basketball fans watching out there. Aaron D joined by Charles Bechong as my analyst and Miss Nicole Lim on courtside. And right now we're at game number 5 for this day. Already on to our second set, and in the 16 and under division in our last game nga, Charles, no nakita natin it went down to the wire in that one.
That story.
Another outside shot hoisted up. Offline on that one. Takbuhan para sa Valenzuela. The inside attack, and they get it to go.
Nice transition offense coming from Valenzuela. That is Manalastas.
And a timeout going to be called by the Nueva Ecija D Generals with 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Take a look at that one more time, Charles.
A great pass from Taglia first, and then Manalastas went reverse for that layup.
And 10-3 is the score in favor of Valenzuela. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Valenzuela. And they get fouled underneath.
It was a great pass from Tomodos to Manalastas. Yun nga lang, there was a lot of contact on that shot. There you see it.
And Manalastas on the free throw line. Efficient finisher in the paint, and he was really active on the glass in their last game.
Averaging 4 points. 7 rebounds siya nung nakaraang laro nila. So, nalagpasan niya yung kanyang numbers dahil 4.5 points, 4 rebounds in 10 minutes.
Pineda outside. A bit short on that one. Always great to be playing at home para dito sa Valenzuela squad, no? Playing, having the fans on your side. Kitang-kita naman natin sa bench nila. Even in the game before us, no, Charles, ang dami nag-cheer para sa Valenzuela.
Siyempre, may pride yan na dala-dala mo kapag dito ka sa bahay nyo naglalaro. Tsaka siyempre, yung mas maraming fans, andito yung pamilya mo, andito yung mga kaibigan mo, kaya mas ganado kang maglaro.
Ito na nga, slowly but surely, Nueva Ecija lumalapit na dito. 13-9 is the score with 4 minutes and 15 in quarter number 1. Driving to the left, the shot, it's good.
Kind of late on that closeout was Chavez for Nueva Ecija. And blow by. See this again. Mas mabilis din talaga etong si Rashid Tomodos. A moment for Philippine basketball, no, yung na-posterize ang isang NBA player, yung Mr. Gabe Norwood, of course playing for the Rain or Shine Elasta Painters. Stellar career, no?
That was such
More than a
great
decade.
Run. Oo, no? Great run talaga yung 2014 na yun. No? Lahat ng games nila, dikit lang sa mga powerhouse teams.
Ilang taon ka no, noong 2014?
Parang grade 6 lang ata ako, grade 5 eh. Talaga mapapasigaw ka dun sa BTV pa yung TV natin nun, yung channel natin. Domag has it para sa Valenzuela. Still 2 minutes. Still an opportunity, 10 seconds para sa Valenzuela. Lalabas nila, catch and shoot. He's got it para kay Sam Sasan.
Sam Sasan, masyadong malayo yung depensa.
Guerra trying to beat the buzzer, but at the end of our first quarter, Valenzuela getting the three-pointer to drop and taking that lead 20-18. Let's take a look at our Chef's Magic first quarter highlights.
That's Aniano opening up the scoring festivities para dito sa Valenzuela, pero agad namang nakabawi itong Nueva Ecija de Generals. They were down para sa Valenzuela.
Nueva Ecija moving it around the perimeter. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Someone's got to shoot it. It's a left wing three-pointer, no good. Offensive board para kay Chavez.
Look at Chavez, his activity despite having 3 red shirts in front of him, nagawan pa niya ng paraan.
1 point lead. Give it up inside. Great handoff.
Big to guard handoff from Timothy Corcolon to Noah Manalastas. That's familiarity at its finest for you.
10 seconds on the shot clock. Manalastas goes against the taller defenders. 5 seconds. Here comes Concepcion. 1 second. Throws it up. And that's offline para kay Kyle Concepcion. In the 16 and under division, we're still live dito sa Bahayang Pag-asa Sports Complex as we take a look at some of the highlights brought to you by Chef's Magic.
It was a close ball game, lalo na nung first quarter. Kaso nung second quarter, medyo doon nakaalagwa etong Valenzuela Classic Juniors. Taking a look at the halftime stats, somehow similar in terms of their field goal percentage.
Taglia leaning to the left, no good.
Taglia tried to absorb the contact. May mga ganun players talaga yung kailangan muna ng contact bago makuha yung balance nila.
Give it up inside. Rivera, smooth finish.
Great escape by Jefferson Rivera to get that lefty layup to go.
9 points is the lead. Taglia, target shooting. Offline, offensive board to the putback para kay Manalastas.
As of now, 26 against 22 ang rebounding count natin para dito. Lamang ang Valenzuela, hence their 11-point lead.
Pero a quick answer back para kay James Rivera off the window. Back to a 10-point game. Valenzuela still on top with a minute and 40. Toma gives it up inside and the layup drops para kay Marion Dizon.
Marion Dizon not really relied on in terms of scoring. Pero pagka nandoon yung chance, syempre kailangan i-take advantage mo yun. Why not? Sabi nga ni Coach Martin Antonio, bakit nga naman hindi? Di ba? For 11 times already.
8 seconds. They whip it out. Barcelona. Masyadong malakas. 3 seconds left. Pineda gives it up. Just a second remaining. Concepcion. Impact Ballers kontra sa Nueva Ecija D Generals. Take a look at it. Final score 84-64 in favor of the home team. Nueva Ecija gets that 3-game winning streak broken. Meanwhile, yun nga, Valenzuela entering the winning column. But right now, Miss Nicole Lim is joined by our Chef's Magic player of the game.
Abi, ano masasabi mo? Nanalo sila Kuya Noah. Ah, wow, best player yata ang anak ko. Best player yata ang anak ko. Ano kaya sasabihin, Noah? Noah? Hindi ko alam kung paano sasabihin mo. Okay lang po na kaya natin. Wow, congrats, Noah.
Valenzuela team, we have Noah, Manelas Tash. Noah, what a great performance today. Galing na kayo sa magkasunod na pagkatalo. And gaano pa-importante sa itong game victory niyo? At ano yung naging motivation for this game?
Una sa lahat, ipapasalamat po sa panahon po ito. Ipapasalamat po sa pamilya ko and ginawa po sa inyo. And shout out to sa motivation for Canada. Love you.
Noah, meron ka bang gustong bigyan na shoutout?
Shout out po sa Daddy Vlog and Tekno Love and Sweet Mary. Shout out po sa inyo.
Again, congratulations to our player of the game, it's Simone Valenzuela. And now, let's take a look at our assistant and defensive player of the game.
Thank you. Ah. Kana. Ano masasabi niyo sa pamangkin niyo?
Proud.
Proud na mga tito at tita.
Proud.
Isama na masasama kay Kuya Noah. Si Justin. Justin na masasama kay Kuya Noah. Magaling. Ay, mali. Thank you po. Ayan, congrats sa team po ng Valenzuela. Panalo ang team ng Valenzuela. 20 ba? 20. Ayan, congrats sa inyo. Congrats! 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 Ah, sige ate. Thank you. Bye! Sige, ingat. Thank you. Binigay ko na sa kanya yung ano. Ano masasabi mo kay Noah? Sa laro
Good job.
Akala mo maging best player siya, no?
Maraming rebounds tsaka assist.
Ah,
Sa nakuha.
oo.
Tapos perfect pa yung mga shoot.
Oo.
Best player, happy for Noah, Manalastas.
Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Ay ko, Abi! Tawa ka ng tawa! Dahil nanalo po si Noah, eto, nagse-celebrate, magbo-blowout po si Noah. Ano in-order mo, Noah? Pata ng kalabaw. At saka, lechong kawali. At si Abby, barbecue. Dito po. At meron kaming bulaklak. Bulaklak. Kay Anthony ay bulaklak din. Halos nagkapare-parehas kami ng ulam. Sa amin ni Chris ay lechong kawali.
Anthony, kulang yata yung plastic natin.
Abi, magkaya ka. Kaya akong kumain,